In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the front camera is not working on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just grab your Samsung phone and check if there is any dust or debris on the selfie camera or not. If there is, just clean it using a soft cloth. Also, if you have applied any screen protector recently, just check if there is any dirt trapped in between the screen protector and the selfie camera or not. If there is, just remove the screen protector and clean the selfie camera using a soft cloth. After that, just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just perform a restart on your Samsung phone. To do that, just open the control center, then tap on the power icon, and from here just select restart. And once the restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to settings, and under settings just scroll down and tap on apps. From this app list, just scroll down and look for the camera app. After that, just tap on it, and from here just tap on camera settings. Now at the bottom of this page, you will find the option for reset settings. Just tap on it, then tap on reset. Now after you reset the settings of the camera app, then just scroll down and tap on storage. From here just select clear cache. After that just tap on clear data. Then tap on delete. Now do not worry, by doing that you will not delete any data or photos on your Samsung phone. You will just clear the data of the camera app. Now after you do that, then just go back to the app section, and from here just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the screen. From this menu just select reset app preferences. Then tap on reset, and after you do that, then just go to your home screen and check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if you have done that but if your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to your home screen and go back to the settings app. Now let's go back to the main settings page, and from here just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on general management. From here just scroll down a bit and tap on reset. Now on this page you will find the option for reset all settings. Now just tap on it, then tap on reset settings. Now just enter your lock screen pin, then select reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your Samsung phone. You'll just reset all the settings of your Samsung phone to the default. After you reset all the settings of your Samsung phone, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just open the phone app and dial this *#0*#. Now after you open the diagnostics page, then just tap on front camera from here. Now if the front camera is working properly over here, then you might have a software issue on your Samsung phone. To fix this issue, just go to your home screen and go back to settings. Now under settings, just go back to the main settings page and scroll down to the bottom of the page, then tap on software update. From here, just tap on check for updates and check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your Samsung phone. Sometimes this issue can be caused because of a software glitch and it will be fixed through a software update. But if you have tested the selfie camera through the diagnostics page, and if the selfie camera was not working there too, then you might have a hardware problem with the selfie camera of your Samsung phone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix if the front camera is not working on your Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.